Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can reschedule your goal in Timestripe. So first you have to choose your goal, for example this one in months. For me it's go to school, click on it, and here in bottom right corner is this 3 dots button, click on it, and here you have this reschedule, click on it and choose what day and month or even year you want to choose. For example this one. And that's all. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.